Today we got a video from Blue Line Bodycam, and the title of the video is "Whole Family Surround a Cop, Then Plays Victim." All right, let's get into it.
This whole family is about to surround this cop, then claim they're the victims.
I didn't do anything wrong. I didn't do anything wrong. Stop! You back up. There's something wrong with that man.
This man parked illegally and was issued a ticket, but began cursing at security. When the officer stepped in to hand him the citation, he struck the officer's arm and snatched it away. As the officer ordered him to stop, he began to drive off, prompting the officer to activate his body cam, giving us full audio.
I just told you to stop the car. I can take the ticket and throw it down.
I am pregnant. You need to stop. You're out of your no. You're assaulting a citizen. You're assaulting a citizen.
Why are you doing this to me?
You're assaulting a citizen. I'm recording this.
I'm recording you. Yell at a pregnant woman?
Yeah, he did.
She's the one that got out of the car.
What?
This man just
You're
hit me.
yelling at us.
When I tell the person to stop their car,
He hurt me.
You hit him? What is it?
Yeah, you hit me.
I'm going
back up.
Do not touch him. Stop touching people. Stop touching people.
Don't put
Stop
your hand in
touching
my face
people.
or I'll take you
What?
off to jail.
You hurt me.
Take you to jail?
Back up. You get your
Hold on,
license.
please.
God.
I'm not giving you anything. I didn't do anything
Stop
wrong.
touching me.
I didn't do anything
Stop.
wrong.
Stop.
You back up.
Stop.
Calm down, sir. Calm down, sir. Sir, calm down. What's wrong with you?
Step it up.
Please stop.
Get your hands off me.
I don't have any hands on you. I'm not touching you. I'm not touching you. My hands are up. I'll shoot you. Hey.
Back up here. Going to jail.
What are you doing to my father?
Back up.
Why are you doing this to my dad?
Back
What's wrong
up.
with you? He's an old man. He's old.
Back up.
What is your...
Back
what
up.
is this? Are you sick?
Back up. You're
This
going to
man
jail.
is sick.
He's in jail. He's handcuffs too.
Relax. 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 Relax.
Calm down.
You guys are sick. What are you doing?
Calm down.
No, I am calm.
You're not calm because you're testing up.
You punched my father in the face.
Put your other hand behind your back. Put your other hand behind your back.
People are sick. Why would you do that to him? What is wrong with you?
Stand up.
He's bleeding. He literally punched me in the face. You started this.
Hey. Hey.
This man punched my father in the face.
75 rescue.
I need an ambulance.
I need fire rescue for Joe Weber unconscious. Hey.
Relax yourself. You're about to go on the ground. Relax.
He just punched this old man in the face. He just assaulted him.
Get her out of here.
He punched my father.
Majorly.
Hey.
I am alive.
Stop moving and you won't hurt your wrist.
Majorly.
Hey.
I am alive.
She loses the
What is happening?
My right leg, please release it.
That's my husband! No! Stop! It's my husband! You're hurting everybody!
You good?
Yeah, he's playing the game.
Okay. You cuffs?
Well, I'm not going to cuff him now.
The more you move, the more he tightens up. Let him loosen it. He's going to loosen it.
Why are you hurting us? You haven't done anything!
Chelsea, 97, 927.
Please stay right there.
I'm a massage therapist. I need my hand. I need my hand. Oh.
Okay, what is it? He started fighting. He jumped in on it. I'm told the pregnant lady.
You started fighting what?
With me.
You started fighting with you?
Come on.
You're moving your hands. That's what they tighten up.
I'm not good.
Lock it in.
Why are they doing this? We didn't do anything
Ma'am, I
wrong!
just showed up. I don't even know what's going on.
what I think? I know you don't care what I think, but I'm gonna tell you what I think anyways. Okay. Yes, the old man and the officer was definitely having a conflict, right? But you know who really escalated this thing? The girl that's pregnant. She definitely escalated this. She's pulling up. I'm 6 months like we not even talking to you. What? I'm not even talking to you. I'm dealing with this man here. You rolling up on me. I'm 6 months pregnant. Leave us alone. What you pregnant got to do with this situation that we dealing with right here? I'm not trying to hear what you talking about. I'm dealing with what's going on over here. And, you know, the husband rolls up, or the son, whoever he is, whatever, rolls up, and he's obviously upset, in an uproar. And she goes over here talking about the officer hit the man, and that's what got him all riled up. When I didn't even see that. All I saw was, you know, given the citation, boom, he throws it. He starts to take off. The officer said, no, not yet. Don't take off, whatever. And I didn't see him hit him. I didn't even see that. But because she goes over and gives her 2 cents of whatever, got the husband all riled up, and he's involved, and it just snowballed into complete chaos because she's egging stuff on. That's what I think, in case you gave a fuck. All right.
Look at me. Look at me. What medical condition do you have? What medical condition do you have? What kind of medical conditions do you have?
Dude, my wrist.
Okay, it got loosened.
My hand is completely numb right now. Why did you do that? What is wrong with you people? That man is sick right there. That man is sick. 15? Okay.
Trial 3.
3? Female 2?
Most likely. She jumped in on it too.
Okay.
Hey, she's pregnant. So
Say again?
she's pregnant.
Okay. That man is sick. Where's my son?
Somebody take him off.
What's going on? What am I doing here? What did I do? He literally punched him. 15.
Oh, so you're 15ing her?
No, they are.
Oh, okay.
Hey, mommy, you pregnant?
Yes.
I can't believe it. What are you doing? You're going to jail. Going to arrest.
Why?
Go in the front because you're pregnant.
Why? Oh, she's pregnant?
Yeah.
Okay.
15, she's pregnant.
What?
I'm gonna sit you up. You wanna sit up? You wanna sit up?
Who are you? You're helping.
I'm gonna help you. You wanna sit up?
Good. She deserves to go for sure.
He's on the ground. You guys aren't doing any better. She's an attorney. You just insulted my father for no reason.
Why am I getting arrested?
Apparently you gave the cops an issue.
I literally said stop treating him this
That's not
way.
what they're saying. So, it's on camera.
Yes, it is all on camera.
Okay, I wasn't there.
This is unbelievable. This is unbelievable.
He punched me.
Okay. We'll figure that out in a minute, but you wanna sit up and get sit?
me bad.
Okay.
I wasn't going to hurt. I was just upset because... You have a sick man right there. I just came to pick up my children.
Let's go put him in my coffin now. Let's stop yelling.
Yeah.
You don't want to make a scene? You just assaulted him.
You want to talk to him?
I don't know what's happening right now. Let go. Did you take my phone? Let go, because I have to pat you down. Thank you so much. That man is ill. That man is ill.
Have a seat in here, sir.
My freaking hand.
Do you wanna sit up?
I'm confused right now.
Well, that's why I wanna sit you up.
I picked him up.
Come on. Alright, stand up against the car.
Why did he punch me?
311.
He punched me right in the face. I didn't know I was gonna hurt you. Why'd you do that? I wasn't gonna hurt anybody. I came right up there and asked him to stop after you punched my father in the face.
We're trying to
That
figure
man
everything
is
out.
sick.
When we're talking to you,
trying to figure it
we're
out.
talking
What
to
would
you.
you guys- I'm telling you.
You're going against
Okay,
the other cop.
okay.
We're trying to figure things out, right? Yelling and screaming and going berserk's not helping anybody. We're trying to help
What would
everybody.
you do?
I'm gonna need you to breathe because what's gonna end up happening is you're gonna pass out, and that's not gonna be good for you or the baby. All right, you gotta breathe. You gotta breathe. There you go. There you go. All right.
What would you do if you just saw your elderly father get punched in the face? His nose is bleeding
Listen,
right
I'll be
now.
upset too. I'm not gonna tell you no, but you got to come from our angle. We have no idea what's going on.
Yeah,
You're
well,
lunging towards the other
I went
officer, so
and
we're trying
asked him to stop after assaulting my father, and I
Alright.
had my hands up, no aggression, and he kept going after him. He kept going after him, then he went after me, with my pregnant wife right there.
All right, we're gonna walk this way. We got two patients. She's pregnant, but she's pregnant. They just want her checked out, but he's more critical than her. Let's move out of there.
My pregnant wife standing right next to him. He didn't care. There's something wrong with that man. There's something wrong with that man. He is a mental problem. I've never seen anything like that in my life.
Come on, we gotta breathe again. Gotta breathe. I understand. He's all right.
How would you feel? How would you feel? Honestly,
Ma'am, I
tell
don't
me.
even know what happened. To be quite honest.
That's what I'm saying.
I don't
We're the
know what
most
happened.
calm people in the world. All because a woman wanted us to move. My husband was coming with the
still need you to
luggage.
breathe. I still need you to breathe. I don't need you to pass out. Please.
Anything he says, anything that man says is bullshit. He's in big trouble.
What are the charges?
Ma'am, I've showed up at the end. I don't even know what's going on.
Can you ask somebody?
Sure.
Thank you.
But I'm going to get you in the back of the rescue with them so they can check you out as well. That's my first concern. Let me do that first, okay?
Thank you. Thank you. Dad, pray. Pray. Dad, pray. Dad, pray. Dad, pray. Just pray, Dad.
Nobody got physical with him. My father would never punch a police officer. We love the police. We're conservatives. What the hell? I mean, this is insanity.
She's
100, when it's in advised at 201, secure side in front of the 350 north.
Do you know who's primary on this? Good morning. First of all, good morning. How you doing? Happy Thanksgiving. Thanks. Do you know who's primary
All right
on this?
now. Hey, come on. What's his name? Chuffy? Yeah, this is my guy right here. What? She approached him correctly, boy. All right. Oh, my bad. Good morning. How you doing? Yeah. Yeah. Okay. She got enough feminine energy real quick. You see my boy pull up. You see that?
Do you know who's primary on this? Good morning. First of all, good morning. How you doing? Happy Thanksgiving. Thanks.
Yeah. You see how you looked at her? She said, you see how the car you better come correct. She switched it up real quick. Look at my man's face. Look at my man's face.
Do you know who's primary on this? Good morning.
Look
First of
at
all,
the
good
tilt.
morning. How you doing? Happy Thanksgiving.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Act right.
Do you know who's primary on this? You know who's primary? I don't even know what's going on either. I heard the call came out. And I ran from the terminal.
I have no idea.
What's going on?
But when we got here,
Well, I don't know. I think they just transported him.
yeah, no, he's got me here.
Yeah, but they told me to cuff her. So I don't have a clue as to what's going on. I don't even know.
All three suspects were charged with battery on a law enforcement officer and have pled not guilty after each posting a $1,000 bond. The court now appears to be leaning toward pre-trial intervention, a program that doesn't require a formal guilty plea, but does involve accepting some responsibility for the incident. As part of the agreement, they would likely face certain conditions such as a supervision period with regular check-ins, completing anger management courses, writing letters of apology, and performing community service.
Yeah. Yeah, it's just too early to see the outcome of the actual situation. That's all it really is. But man, that was crazy. I you know, the the woman, she, she really, yeah, it really got out of control because of her. I'm not gonna lie. Like, yeah, the old guy and the cop, they were having a little issue, but the girl is who got both of the other two in trouble. Like, you know, it really, really. And I ain't even see nobody get punched in the face. Like, maybe that happened when they got the scuffling, but we gotta go even prior to that. You know what I'm saying? Before that, they were already, you know, she was already lying. She said, "Oh, he hit him," and then that's what got the guy. And I didn't see that. I'm like, wait, what? When did that happen? I seen him just get the ticket and throw it. So that was insane, man. But anyway, I get officers, man. I get them 4 out of 5, man. Just because I was gonna do 3 out of 5, but I'm gonna give a 4 because for them cuffing her, because I thought for a minute that she was gonna get away with that, and she was definitely an instigator, so she definitely needed to go. So yeah, 4 out of 5 from me. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did. And oh wait, before we even go, not a lot of you guys watch the videos till the end anyway. So this is why I only say it at the end, because it's like these are the people that really tap in with my videos. But check the description box, man, because we go live on Twitch every Tuesday. I'm gonna start going live on Twitch every Tuesday at 6. And then we also got the Patreon. So if you want you know, other videos and stuff like that, getting early access and stuff like that, but we also doing like more like 60 days in videos and all different types of stuff like that. Got live streams going on. We gonna really get it on and popping, you know what I'm saying? Because as you know, corrections is really my background, not being a police officer, you know what I mean? So corrections is more things that I could really get into. So anyway, yeah, I'm gonna catch you in the next video. That's all I got to say.